Hello, this is Karen King. Welcome to my meditation. This is a treatment that acknowledges the divine feminine exists in all of mankind. It is not a specific quality of one gender or another. It is understandable that in today's world, many have suppressed these energies in order to cope with the modern day life. For example, it may be difficult to allow compassion into your life if you were raised to be competitive or number one, and you now expect yourself to maintain a competitive career. At the present, however, humanity's mental and physical health largely depends on making the space for the qualities of the divine feminine to surface. As we begin, close your eyes if it is comfortable for you, and take a few deep, slow breaths to relax your mind and your body. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Make your breaths long, slow, and steady. Rhythmically inhale and exhale until you move into the present moment. And when you are in that moment, you are entering a world of possibility, a world of recognition. Now there is a powerful intelligence within you that is giving you life, which loves you so much that when your will matches its will, when your mind matches its mind, and when your love for life matches its love for you, it always responds. On this day, we honor a divine feminine in our makeup. We, as spiritual beings in a milieu of human experiences, acknowledge qualities of a divine feminine in each person, regardless of gender. We celebrate a goddess within that connects us to all that is sacred, our ability to be creative, to utilize our intuition, to receive messages from our feeling sense rather than our thinking sense, and to manifest loving collaboration with others. We turn away from all coping mechanisms within our modern day life, and we make space for these qualities to surface with these words. I see myself experiencing every aspect of creation: birth, renewal, healing, restoration, acceptance, connection, oneness, receptivity. I gratefully welcome nurturing, growth, and understanding. I welcome insight, empathy, and compassion into my life. I love myself enough to turn this vision of my destiny to a greater mind and bask in a light of improved emotional and physical health. I love life. I love my life. I am magnificent. And so it is.